Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text box in Excel fit the text. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the text box fit text. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. You can write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text and increase the size. Now I am select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Select the format text effect option and select the text box. We can see here the resize shape to fit text option and we check mark it, and we can see automatically the text box it fitted on the text. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.